Welcome back. This is the first session of the Airport Operations Learning Module. There are several shorter sessions, but there is one big one. It's broken down into 3. It's very important. In this session, we'll talk about airport data and how to get access to airport data. We can get this through VFR charts and chart supplements, and NOTAMs and ATIS. When planning your operation, make sure you get the most current data. I find digital data to be the most current. You can get data from VFR sectional charts or chart supplements. In any case, you can get information regarding communication frequencies, services, and all you can think about in terms of an airport. There are 4 common sources for information on airport data. We can get this through aeronautical charts, particularly VFR sectional charts for SUAS pilots, chart supplements, which has a massive amount of information, naturally notices to airmen, very important, and automated terminal information services.